Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your WordPress website not displaying correctly on your mobile. So let's get started. So here you have to follow these easy steps. So first of all, the first reason is you have not made a responsive website design. So it happens when you have made your design on your PC and not designed for your phones. So that's why it happens. And so to fix that, you can just go to hire, like you can hire a responsive theme maker, or you can purchase a responsive theme from the websites, and you can just apply them and it will be fixed. So this is how to fix your WordPress website not displaying correctly on your mobile. And if you have any questions, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.